Hello, I have created this course for those who want to know about 3D printing in details. If you want to start your 3D printing or you have just bought a new 3D printer, then this course is for you. I have created this course using slides, some practical examples and my 5 years of experience. What you will be learn. Each video is divided into chapters so you can understand step by step. Introduction of 3D printing. Setting up a 3D printer. Designing for a 3D printing. Preparing and printing a model. Post-processing and finishing. Tips, maintenance and upgrades. Advanced topics. After completing this course, you will understand how 3D printing works, and also you can get your own 3D printer and start your 3D printing journey. This course is free. If you found this course helpful, then like so more people can get benefit from this course. Also, let me know your queries and suggestion in the comment box. So let's dive in 3D printing world with 3D World.